Hello students, and today I am going to teach you chapter 4 linear equations in two variables. So students, in our previous classes we have learnt that your linear equation in one variable, but now in this lesson we have discussed about linear equation in two variables. We now just recall your linear equation of one variable. Your one variable, it means your ax plus b. This is equation. So ax plus b is equal to 0. Ax plus b is equal to 0. This is your linear equation in one variable. Your variable is your x. This is equation. This is the form of one variable. Linear equation of one variable. Your form is ax plus b is equal to your 0. So what is a? A your coefficient of x. A is your coefficient of x and b your constant term. And what is a and b? What's are a and b? A and b are your real numbers. A and b are A and B are real numbers. And your condition is A not is equal to 0. This is A not equal to 0. A means your coefficient of your x. So this is not equal to 0. Why? If this is equal to 0 and this is total term is 0, but left only b left, it means your constant term. And this is not your linear equation of one variable because here no variable. If you put is equal to 0, this is total term 0 plus b, and this is b equal to 0. This is not a linear equation of one variable. Okay, because here no variable, only constant term left. So this is the form of your linear equation of one variable. And what is the solution of this equation? Solution means your value of your x, and that is your solution, which is satisfy the equation. So ax plus b is equal to your 0. So ax is equal to minus b and x equal to minus b by a. This is the value of your x. This is the solution. This is your solution of this linear equation, x equal to minus b by a. Now we will discuss about linear equation in two variable. The same as your one variable. Here only one variable, that is your x, but in two variable there is two variable. There are two variables. Linear equation in two variable. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0 and b not equal to 0, and a, b, c are real numbers. Okay, and this is the definition of linear equation in two variable. This is the linear equation in two variable. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and b also is not equal to 0. A, B, C are real numbers. Okay, and the same as what is the solution? What is the solution of linear equation in two variables? Solution just as your value of x, and here one variable, that is x, but here two variables, x and y, your variables. So values of x and y are called the solution of linear equation in two variables. Values of x and y, here two variables, x and y. If x equal to alpha and y equal to beta, alpha beta means your any real numbers, alpha beta any real numbers. So if x equal to alpha and y equal to beta, so alpha and beta is called the solution of a linear given equation. It means ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. In a simple way, we can say that the values of x and y which is satisfy the equation, that is your solution. Values of x and y is your solution, yeah, root. Solution or roots of the given equation. Now, students, this lesson is very easy lesson. I think in graphically we can find your solution. It means your values of x and y. So now, your graph of a linear equation. Students, a linear equation in two variables, a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions, it means there are countless solutions, infinitely many solutions. Now, graph of a linear equation. I think your graph of a linear equation is not new for you. This is a very old topic. You have learnt about this topic in class, I think class 8. Now, graph of a linear equation. So your methods how to find solutions. Here find the solutions by graphically. Here only draw the linear equation in your graph paper. So first is, if your equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is your linear equation. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and b also not equal to 0. Now, this is given equation. Now find x in terms of y. Yeah, y in terms of x. X in terms of y or y in terms of x. This is x in terms of y. Yeah, y in terms of x. And now, next point is, you put the convenient values of x or y. Suppose that here you find the x in terms of y. It means x is equal to here terms of y. So now put some convenient values of y, will get your values of x. Now put some convenient values, some suitable values for y, then we will get your values of x. And then after, we will plotting all the pairs of values. It means your coordinates of x and y in your graph paper. Now, we will take one example. and discuss how to draw your graph of a linear equation. So the example, suppose that one example is your 2x. Here one example, 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. And this is the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is your linear equation in two variables. Now, first you find x in terms of y. Yeah, y in terms of x. Listen. Now, suppose that we want to find a value of x. So here 2x look here, 2x is equal to here minus y, this is plus, this is minus, y minus 3, and x is equal to y minus 3 by 2. So this is x in term of y. If you want to find the value of y, no problem, or you can write minus y is equal to minus 3. Here shift the numbers in other side, minus 3 minus 3. Okay, and here minus, take your minus 3 plus 2x, here minus minus cancel, what left? Y equal to 3 plus 2x. Clear? This is y in term of x. So we can take this or this, no problem. Okay. So this is x in term of y and this is y in term of x. So now find at least 3, 4 pairs of coordinates. It means find the values of x and y. Now here y is equal to 3 plus 2x. Now put some convenient values of your x, then we will get your y. It means if x equal to 1, then y equal to 1. Putting this, y equal to 3 plus 2 into 1 is equal to 5. If x equal to 2, we maybe take your negative numbers. Okay, any numbers, negative, positive and 0. So x equal to 2, so y equal to 3 plus 2 into 2. So 2 to 4, 4 plus 3, 7. Now if we'll take x equal to suppose that 0. Then y equal to what? 3 plus 2 into 0. This is total 0. What left? 3. One more. If x equal to minus 1, then y is equal to 3 plus 2 into minus 1. It means 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. This is the 4 pairs. Now, we'll draw a tabulation for values of x and y. X, y. Here x equal to 1, so y equal to 5. X equal to 2, so y equal to 7. X equal to 0, then y equal to 3. X equal to minus 1, so y equal to 1. This is the tabulation of x and y. This is very important. Now, we will take alphabets and let A is 1, 5. This is the coordinate of x and y. And B is 2, 7. C 0, 3. And D is minus 1, 1. Now plotting all alphabets, it means all points, all coordinates in your graph paper. So for plotting your coordinates, we'll draw your graph. So now draw first your, on this question, your linear equation in two variables will solve in graph paper. So now, so for it first you draw your axis, your x-axis. This is negative. Also you extend your negative side also. This is your horizontal axis, x-axis, and this is your vertical axis. X O x dash, y O y dash, and this is your origin. This is your Cartesian plane. Okay. In next chapter, we'll discuss about your Cartesian plane. Now, you draw your both axes, x-axis and y-axis. One, this is your positive side, and this is your negative side. And this is your positive side of y, and this is your below negative side of y. And now, you're plotting all points. Your A, 1, 5. 1 is the value of x and 5 is the value of y. 1, this is 1, and 5, y. 5 is y. This is 5. And this point is 1 and 5. Now, second point, B, 2, 7. 2 is the value of x and 7 is the value of y. 2, 7. This is 2 and 7. I think this point. You can write also A, B. This is 2, 7. And third point, C, 0, 3. This is 0. 0 means this is the origin, this is the value of x, 0. And 3 is the value of y, this point. C is 0, 3. And D is minus 1 and 1. Minus 1, your value of x, this is minus 1 and 1, this point. D. Okay, now all points we have drawn your graph paper. Now join all the points. All points now join. Now after joining all points, you will observe it. Your graph, it means graph of this equation, graph of a linear equation is your straight line after joining your all points. And this line is the equation, your 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the graph of your equation 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. And always your linear graph of your linear equation, always your straight line. Okay, so this is the process to draw your linear equation of two variables. Okay, student, thank you.